Monday afternoon and a good afternoon. How na day? I hope so your weekend day very, very kajad. Now, a lot of people, they talk about education for inside Nigeria. Then say whether education they necessary or they necessary, because you don't get a lot of categories of people where they actually use education to make sure say they climb the ladder to the top. While some people don't even need education at all to make sure say they reach the top. At the same time, when I feel say education as something where we say go actually contribute to our promoting of made in Nigerian products, because now even our government don't talk say we need to patronize our Nigerian products so that Nigeria can be a better country for all our sundry to live in. What do you think about made in Nigerian products?
You know, it's funny enough. Now I will talk live on TV. Now I appreciate our made in Nigerian products.
This is the second time they talk about
second time, yeah.
Yes.
I just need to let people understand. Say before now, I don't believe in our made in Nigerian products. Why? Because most of them know they actually last. But I don't see a lot of entrepreneurs for inside Nigeria, a lot of business people for inside Nigeria where they use our locally materials. They make some product and some goods way strong, like say tomorrow, not day. And I actually applaud those people where they go the extra mile to make sure say, yes, even though say I made in Nigeria product, I want to make Nigeria goods, I want to, but I will make sure say it is up to standard. We just need the government. Now it's more than you coming outside to talk, say Nigeria, we need to go into farm. Nigeria, we need to start to encourage our made in Nigeria product. But if we not get the materials, if we not get access to a lot of materials here, what's the essence? If most of these people where they actually deal on made in Nigerian products, if most of the business owners they actually import most of their materials abroad, what's the essence of promoting made in Nigeria products? We just need to make sure that our industry where they provide materials, they're very, very cajad. Very nice
personally,
one.
I actually love made in Nigeria products, especially our clothes, because now we get our Ankara, our Ashoke, our Adire, and all of those things where they make us look different and distinct from every other person.
I go with you.
Now, even when people say, okay, you know what, I want to look Western, I want to look this, I want to look that, we don't see Westerners where we say then they embrace our own culture.
Very
we get
true.
the likes of Beyonce, we don't use Ankara to do music
If they're not using, I'm not going to say yes.
No, before they use them, I actually love native.
No, that's you, but that's one out of how many millions to be? About 180 or 190 million.
All we need sometimes, not just one person to make the difference.
Yeah, right.
Yes. So even if I go be the only one person, we're going to make a difference in made in Nigerian products to promote them, to make sure say everything they very, very kajad, I am humble and happy to do the job. But before we go on, where we go actually tell us plenty of things on our educational system in Nigeria, we're going to a small break. When we come back, we go dig into deep everything where we need to do on the show. Stay tuned.
All right, welcome back. Now we see they talk about made in Nigeria goods and products and how Nigerians need to actually embrace them. Now we don't see lots of young people actually turn to business owners.
Very, very sharp. In fact,
and they are
these
doing
days,
well.
They don't even want work under anybody at all. They want to start their own business and make sure, say, okay, them be employer of labor.
But Tiana, funny enough, I see a young person where they blend tomato, then they package them very well, and they sell. And I'm like, what did they happen? Young people don't want you.
My sister.
Now, how they take actually learn to be creative? Now, going to school or not? Not forget, Betiana, don't tell you, say we go talk about the educational sector for inside Wobodo, Nigeria. We go young you 5 Nigerians where actually get big brains. They go to school. And also, we go tell you the category of people where they talk, say, school is not important. But before we yarn you all those plenty things about our education and how education is important, we get to Kaja get in the studio.
Yes, and our Kajat guest now, Victoria Mamza, CEO of Wangania Foods. And she go tell us how this thing come to be. What's in Wangania Foods they all about, how she start them, and why she start them. She is here to tell us by her own self. You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
First of all, I know say I will bite my mouth now. Why the name Wangara?
Wangarayu.
Wangara. Okay, why the name? Why you want bite? Allow me bite my tongue.
Okay, Wangarayu na my name.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Yes,
Which
na my
part of the
middle
country?
name. Borno State. I'm from Borno State.
First time in my life, I
Wow,
did meet
a Borno.
person we actually come from Borno.
Thank you very much.
Wow. So what's Wangara mean?
Wangarayu means a beloved child. Child really precious and special.
Wow. So the name of your business, Nana, Beloved Foods.
Yes.
Special food.
Special food.
Very special.
Beautiful. So why you decide, because we talk about education. Now, some months ago, a particular celebrity for inside Wobudo, Nigeria, make people they talk because in come outside talk say education is not for everyone. Now, even apart from a lot of people don't come outside talk say education is not for anyone. Why you decide to go into food business? You go school, or you feel say that school is just nothing, business is the in thing?
Well, for me, I could talk about my own experience
Yes, please.
personally. I graduated from Lagos State University. I'm sorry, Lagos State University. That's
Which your people now? Greatest last words.
Great.
You not let me talk when.
You are talking well now.
Greatest Nigerian students, oh.
Great.
Greatest Gbogbo.
Bobo.
Greatest Big.
Big. Shut up
the
now. Not your
answer.
last people. All right, so go on, please.
Anyway, so I graduated in 2014. After my graduation, I sit down for a house. I look and see how I could get job. I tried.
Sorry, which course you read?
Marketing.
Okay.
Okay, I try get job, but job no dey forthcoming. I come say, wetin I go do? Okay, make I kukuma start my own business. While I did for school, I mean, I do small business. I dey buy, dey sell clothes. But I say, I won't go into business full time. As I no see job, make I kukuma work for myself. Make I start up something. And then at that time, I don't really know wetin I want do. I don't really know wetin I want do. And then I can't pray. After I pray about one day I did for kitchen, I did cook. My neighbor, she did work for bank. She did come up the staircase. So I come over here conversation. She did talk to somebody. She tell the person say she would like to cook now, but she just did very tired. She know if you go market because she don't get tired. And then there and then the idea just come say you feel go market for people. You did for house, they find work. This one she gets work. She know if you go market. You feel they go market for people. But at that time, I don't really fancy the idea say I go market for because I'll be waiting I ever think say I go fit to do.
I know.
But with God and with support from people, we don't do here today.
Wow.
Now, coming from I don't know, coming or whatever from someone where hates market.
Yes.
I go actually appreciate what you they do. Now, just expatiate further on what you they actually do. And not just for me to just call you on the phone and say, come on, madam, help me go market. I want tomatoes, I want beans, I want this and that. Or how you still they do them?
Okay, you know say now, women no want the day house now. They want to support their husbands. Before for our mama time, people feel they for us as women. They go say they won't be full-time housewives. But now women, they want to work, they want to support their husbands, and they want to make their own money. And these women, you can find out, so they will wake up as early as 5 a.m. They will cater to their children. After they don't dress their children up, when they go work at that time. When they come back for night, it's going to be very late. They don't go fit go markets. Okay, so these women, if you call me up, tell me, say, Wangarayu, I want crayfish. I want the crayfish. I don't want to make you ground them, or I won't make you ground them. They want beans. And the good thing about buying from us, we say, the beans that you buy from us, they already sorted out.
Why you don't pick
Don't pick
all
up.
the weevils,
No
all the
dirty,
stone?
stones,
Beautiful.
nothing, very clean. And then the crayfish, if I make I ground the crayfish, I'll grind them. If I make I salt them, if I make it smooth when I ground them, just tell me how you want me to do them for you. I will do them for you. I will clean them very well. I will package them. I will deliver them to you.
Wow, so they do anything?
As
All
long as
kinds
na
of
market
food.
concern.
As fast as them. And if you want make I cook for you too.
Oh, you cook too?
Yes, I cook.
Wow. What if I want fresh meat?
Okay, if you want fresh meat, I feel do fresh meat delivery only within Lagos.
Because of...
Okay, so you dey deliver even outside of Lagos too?
Yes, even to Kano. To
What?
Kaduna. Yes, I get customers for Kano, Kaduna, Port Harcourt, Abuja, everywhere.
Wow.
I need to understand something. You they operate here in Lagos. So how you
Yes.
take they actually send all these things to this states where you actually mentioned?
Okay, I go ask my customers, say, how you want them? You want make I send them through courier service. With courier, it is more expensive. But if you want make I go pack, go give them to bus driver, now your choice. Anyone with them say they want. The two, it is okay, but it depends on what my customer wants.
And this, when you give them to bus driver, it is safe. The goods they arrive intact. Nothing happens to them. They don't get any complaint.
Okay, nobody's at the hand them over to bus driver. I did go the company, go, like all these transport services.
Yeah, I understand.
They get their own small courier services to those transport people. So you go there, they go register them, they go give you receipts, they will give you everything, they will document them. So if anything happens to your goods, then go pay.
You go, actually.
Yes.
So far, I don't think very successful
by
for
the grace of God.
Now, taking into realization the kind of economy where we are now, how do you think they pinch you? Especially as things don't increase. Now, now, most of us, especially Bettiana, she like to go market, go price. Me, I can call you, but she must price them. Well, how you actually be for you now?
Well, food items don't increase. In fact, they don't increase. From crayfish to egusi to ogbono to everything. But you know the good thing about food is people go still eat. Yeah. People go still eat, but the increments, they really pinch everybody, and not be just me alone. If you even go market, go ask the mama where they sell crayfish, she go still complain and give you, say, this thing don't add money.
Now, as a businesswoman in Nigeria, as a business person in Nigeria, and as a woman, I want to make her just separate them. Okay. What are the challenges where you actually face?
Well, I would say the first challenge I face now are funds for my business. That's money where I go take grow my business the way I want them to grow. Although I don't get support from people who don't support my business, say, okay, as you say you don't stand up, say you won't do this thing, so we go support you. I don't get support from NAFDAC. I don't get support from Corporate Affairs Commission, you know. But the main thing what I need now is a fund where I go to grow this business. Because if my business grow, I go offer employment to people. Yeah. If you check the level of unemployment for this country now, it's on the rise and it increase every day. So if my business grow, the demand for my business grow, it means say people go still come, go come assist me. The packaging material, the packages products like the nylon, the demand for that one too, it will increase too. It means that not be they manufacture that one. But if the demand for that one grow, it means that the nylon too.
They're going to employ more people.
They're going to employ more, and then the printers too. So what I need now is I need funds to be able to grow my business.
All right, we actually need to buy some more break now. When we come back, I would like to know the level of support where you don't get from both NAFDAC and Corporate Affairs Commission. Okay. And also, now I would also like to know if you get to shop or you still operate from your house. But now when we come back after the break, so just stay with us. All right, welcome back. Now, if you don't join us, we actually talk about made in Nigeria businesses, or rather products, or rather goods.
Made in Nigeria.
Made in Nigeria.
Even human beings.
So I better not be like our senator. We thought say we need to patronize made in Nigeria women.
Made in Nigeria. Wait. No, wait. So we get made in abroad women.
Our senator said that we should start patronizing made. Not me talk, that's how our senators talk.
Actually, I go talk my own on talk. We need to start patronizing made in Nigerian graduates. Because no, I did very serious. I did very serious. But nowadays, the which word I want to use now, the differentiation between foreign Nigerian graduates and Nigerian graduates, it did too much. Now you go see person maybe say when I get 2-1, but because say your own are from Nigeria, they go pay you like 50% less than they pay the other person. When all of them go school together, now because say we don't get visa to travel.
I tell you, our senators will talk say. Wait, I want to let you know that because they are working. Our senator will talk. Yes, now let me land. Our senator will talk say let's start patronizing made in Nigeria women. They don't also sit down and talk say okay, time for us to restrict employing foreigners.
Very true.
So Let's wait and see how far it goes. Don't go second reading. So very soon, you're not going to see white person for your company again. Only black people go food there. But why would they actually patronize Made in Nigeria graduates and Made in Nigeria women?
And foods.
And foods, yes. I actually get one
Made in Nigerian Ijebu Gari.
And Made in Nigeria black pepper.
Now, if you be lover of Gari like me, you dey soak Gari on a daily basis, you go understand what it mean to drink pure Ijebu Gari with ice water.
And granuts.
Sister, you make heaven.
You know, see, before I actually come Lagos, they thought, say, when you take Ijebu Gari, you don't need sugar.
You don't need them.
I beg, I need.
My sister, you like that's because you have a sugar tongue.
Yeah.
Now you don't need sugar. All you need now, hot plate of beans with crayfish and onion with oil and pepper.
And
then
black pepper.
My sister.
Not the food show be this, it's a talk show.
Okay.
Yeah, but we actually encourage you to eat healthy. I like the fact that you say beans.
Yes.
And not too much of
It's
carbs.
crayfish and onion.
And crayfish, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, you understand. Yeah. All right, we're going to show you the pictures of things where Wangarayu foods they actually do. See that they actually make fish. Imagine, okay, you go cut the fish into pieces and then package them.
Depends on what my customer wants.
Wow, and they get crayfish. You know what? I love the way where your crayfish, they're very neat.
Yes.
Because me, I don't like to see the head at all. What's this?
That's stockfish.
Stockfish?
Yes.
Oh, very, very neat. Very neat.
Thank you very much.
Very, very neat. Yeah, lovely. So, I they say when we come back after the break, I go ask you, what level of support did they get from Corporate Affairs, CAC, and also from NAFDAC?
Okay. The kind of support I don't get from NAFDAC, per se, I write to NAFDAC, I tell them, say, CEO, I just want to start business, or I don't already start, but I need support from them. So they say, okay, what's we go do for you? We say, instead of you to pay registration fee for your products, registration fee are like 52,000 plus, and I get more than 20 products. If you multiply that one, you know how much that one will be. So they said they will support me by giving me waiver. It means I no go pay registration fee for this product. And
just to hold you by, just to stop you now, Betiana, imagine we they come outside talk, say time don't reach for us to support small businesses. Now, one of the reasons why small businesses not strive for inside Nigeria now because of this, the fees you pay for this one, pay for that one. At the end of the day, pay tax and plenty of other things. But imagine if small businesses are encouraged in such way.
Yeah.
A lot go
Because
actually
just like
come
she
up.
talk,
Yes.
now let me, she get like 20 products, multiply them by 50K. You know, where you want to see the money?
Yes, when you
Where?
just
When you
start
just start your business.
So please, just corporate affairs and call.
okay, so corporate affairs, they when I started this business, I be registered my business as a business name because na small business at that time.
Yeah.
Okay, but because I want the exports, when I want to go register with Nigerian Export Promotion Council, them tell me say, I know if you register my business with the business name with them. And that is something where I want me then still look into because if somebody in a small business, you say in a small business, you call them, how you expect this person to get money to take go register company? You know, now things don't be very easy. And when I meet with the Director General of Corporate Affairs Commission, he referred me to somebody and they did everything for me. In fact, I don't pay more than 40,000 naira to register my business. Because when I first go there, when I want to register this same business, I'd already meet somebody tell me, say, everything will cost me like 80,000 naira. So you can imagine the distance between 40,000 rather, and 80,000 naira. So they assist me, they help me do my memorandum and article of association without collecting a dime from me.
Wow.
Wow,
Yes.
you can imagine.
And then I paid 40,000 naira for the company registration.
I love the testimony where they hear from all these commissions and everything because now some people go come out, they badmouth them, they say, okay, then do this, then do that. But I like the fact that they actually see person where they say, okay, you know what, and these people, they actually help me. That means say things, they work well for inside the government.
And we think actually they're very pleased about this one. She not thought say, I know person will introduce me to
Yeah.
this. She actually thought say she writes to them.
And they respond.
If we, I can imagine if we start to respond like that to almost all business owners for inside we do Nigeria, trust me. It could actually help, like what you talk, reduce the level of unemployment for inside we do Nigeria.
Very true.
So how you take the operate right now?
Well, for now, I still use somebody factory, they package the products.
Okay.
I still they find money where I go set up my own factory so that I will probably do my own packaging for my own. But for now, I use somebody factory. My mentor.
Your mentor.
Yes,
Give am
I'm
shout
using
out.
function. Shout out to my mentor.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.